Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Welcome to Icon Park, a 20-acre open-air entertainment complex that serves as the centerpiece of the International Drive Resort area. This district is anchored by the Florida Eye, a 400-foot-tall observation wheel that ranks as one of the tallest of its kind in the world. From a technical standpoint, the wheel is a marvel of modern engineering, featuring 30 climate-controlled capsules that offer a stabilized view of the Florida landscape. On a clear day, you can see as far as the Kennedy Space Center on the Atlantic coast. The structure itself is supported by a massive central axle and a series of high-tension cables, designed to withstand the unique weather patterns of Central Florida. Beyond the wheel, this area houses the Sea Life Orlando Aquarium, which contains over 5,000 sea creatures and a unique 360-degree ocean tunnel. You're also walking past Madame Tussauds, where the art of wax sculpture is pushed to its technical limits. The Museum of Illusion, which utilizes forced perspective and optical physics to challenge the human perception. The development of this site was a strategic move to create a pedestrian-friendly hub in a city otherwise dominated by car traffic and enclosed theme parks. Notice aloud of the central green, which is designed as a multi-purpose space for public events and live performances, surrounded by over 40 restaurants and boutiques. The architecture here utilizes a lifestyle center model, blending high-end retail with tourism attractions to create a sustainable economic ecosystem. This district has become a primary driver for the local economy, supporting thousands of jobs in the hospitality and entertainment sectors. As you move through the plaza, you are seeing the result of years of urban planning aimed at diversifying Orlando's tourism offerings beyond the major theme park gates. This area represents the convergence of high-tech entertainment and traditional civic space. The strategic location provides easy access to the nearby Orange County Convention Center, ensuring a high volume of international foot traffic. The materials used in the plaza, from the slip-resistant pavers to the reinforced concrete structures, are all selected for longevity in a high-traffic subtropical environment. It is a masterclass in modern commercial development. For now, I want you to settle in, find your rhythm, and enjoy the walk through this engineering and entertainment powerhouse. This is where the modern spirit of Orlando's growth is most visible.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.